For a good chicken soup, you'll need a whole chicken, leek, celery, carrots, potato, parsley, cumin, nutmeg, water and salt. First, chop the carrots, celery and leek into even pieces. Put them into a pot and fill it till the vegetables are covered in water. Immerse the chicken into the pot of water and vegetables. The body of the chicken should be covered. Boil this for about 45 minutes at medium heat. Remove the chicken, cube the potato and chop the parsley. Add it to the soup. Grind the cumin. Season the soup with this, nutmeg and salt. Cook this for another 20 to 25 minutes. Add the chopped chicken pieces into the soup in the end. The soup is ready to serve. To make it extra special, I like to add some grated Parmesan cheese.